fishing line, rope, a whole lot of circles, an embroidery needle, and a big, beautiful stick. This one is a gum tree. That's all you need. Go searching for circles. So this is just an embroidery hoop that I've stuck a doily in. Same with this one. But it's not just doilies, this is to do with placemats that I got from an op shop for I think $2. This one I have spray painted copper. This is just another embroidery hoop, plain. I made this one. I made this one as well. It's made with raffia. This one I already had to put hot dishes on, like a placemat. And these two, this one and this one, same. I got from Kmart. They were $3 in the placemat area. And I've done two different things with the sides of these. I've put raffia all the way through the ends. And this one, I've just used some twine and just did that along the edges to make it look different. And this one took a while because I used twine and then started in the middle of some cardboard with a glue stick, not a glue stick, a hot glue gun. And I started in the middle and then I went around and then changed it to white. But because it was so small, that took a while. So if you like that, it's so worth it. If you're like, yeah, whatever, don't do one. And that is all you need. We're going to need to hang our stick. So we're going to take our string, our thick string, this is pretty thick. And we're going to tie it around, can you see that? Yeah. So that we can hang this on the wall. So next we have to attach the fishing line. This is where I use an embroidery needle, which is just a blunt, fat needle. I thread through the fishing line and then find a hole. There's no holes, so I'll just stick it through. Stuck the needle through and pull it through. Then you've got a bit of wire here. The whole right over left, left over right kind of thing. I'm going to tie it 3 times just so that I know it's going to stay. Leave a lot of string. So then that is ready to hang up. So you just keep on doing that with the other ones. I use this embroidery needle all the time. So here's a nifty trick for free. When you make a knot, so you go under twice and then that will hold your position firm. So I'm going under twice. So then that makes a knot. And then you go over that again. So what I've done is I've put all the hoops on the floor just to sort them out to see what I like. So the stick is going to be at the top and I'm just figuring out how I'm going to hang them. So this is good? Yeah? Show me. I'll show you. So that's how I'm going to hang it, I think. So we'll go to the stick and hang them up. Okay, so let me just tell you right now, you know how I said you need a long bit of fishing wire? You don't. You really don't. Unless maybe you know the ones that you're hanging down lower, but they're really, really long. Kind of annoying. Is that too close? All right, so the way I'm knotting these is double knot. That's about it. Is that too close? I might just move it over a little bit. Okay. Oh, that one's too long as well. Yeah, that looks good, right? Yeah, thank you. So this is now my second layer. He's going to go behind this circle. So I'm going to tie him up here. The reason why I'm using fishing wire is because sometimes I've seen these placemat or cute little boho basket hangings, and they're sticking nails all through the wall, and I don't want to do that. So that's why, and I love sticks. So I think hanging them on a stick and using invisible fishing line is a way better idea. So you don't ruin your wall. I don't want to ruin my wall. Okay.
Yep, that's better.
It's looking good. No.
Yep. Right way around.
Yeah. Okay, so now we're going to trim off all the excess fishing line. We don't want this. And yeah, we might be nearly done. I'm excited. I think it's finished. I've pushed back when they're coming out of the wall too much. I'm just pushing them to behind the stick so they kind of sit more closer to the wall. But, and I might cut them off too, but what do you think? I think it's pretty good. I like it. I even like the fact that I used this, which I used in a different DIY. I think he matches the vibe, and also this guy as well. He was like this, which is gorgeous. I love this, but he was too fresh. So, you know what? Maybe he wasn't too fresh. He's actually looking quite cute, but I just, because I put the copper spray over him, he didn't look so fresh. So I'm now wondering whether that was a good idea, but anyway, I could always swap it around for this one. But that is the finished product. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, and if you don't do anything. And I'll see you at the next DIY.